Найкраще рекламне відео «Відпустка грайндерсів» Джулія Брайт.
Each single day, work, I'm totally tired.
Let's change your batteries.
Everything is fine with my batteries. I want to go for a vacation.
Me too.
Don't cut me off.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I'm not. I'm just trying to say.
You're just trying to say when I'm just trying to say how much I'm tired.
I'm just trying to say, let's get few days off.
Stop it.
No, you better stop it.
Or what?
We'll see.
Really?
Really, sweetie, really.
I'm not a sweetie.
Sorry, babe, of course. You are my salty babe.
I'm working like a slave.
Salty. Change the subject.
I'm working like there's no tomorrow.
Shut your meal.
What? Help! Help!
Найкраще рекламне відео «The Lumber Company with a Personality» Ерік Сіройс.
We're gonna load up some lumber and take a huge dump. Right this way. I am about to introduce you guys to Adam Hirschberg. He's 3 years into studs right now, and let's spin the camera around and go check out the studs. As you guys know, we started here in a field in 2014, and there's a guy that knows all about how hard it has been to come up in this world. I'll show you how hard it was. I'm gonna show you some studs. Welcome, Adam Hirschberg, to the party. Thanks. Woo. And this is Adam. This is Adam Hirschberg. He's been with Studs Lumber since 2014. He's gained a lot of knowledge over the past couple of years. I would implore you guys to follow him to the next job site.